Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Quince smoothie. If you never had the Quince before, you are in for a real treat. First, let's take a look closer at this amazing fruit right here. Quince is a member of the apple and pear family, and it's high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidant. It has a unique flavor that is a cross between a pear and an apple, and it's perfect for smoothie. To make a Quince smoothie, we're going to need a few ingredients. Here what you need: one quince, 1 cup of frozen mixed fruit. I have here's a pineapple, a strawberry, peach, and mango. It's already frozen. You can buy this from Walmart. 1 cup of milk. You can use any milk. I'm going to use almond milk. And 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar. Before we start, take a vegetable peeler and peel the skin off the quince. Alright, after you peel off the skin from the quince, just cut into small pieces, so make it easier to blend in the blender. Alright, now let's put everything into the blender. Put the quince in there. Add 1 cup of almond milk. Turn on the blender before you put in the frozen mixed fruit. Okay, now put in 1 cup of mixed fruit. It's optional. You want a little sweet, just add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Voila! Our Quince smoothie is ready to serve, and it's creamy, fruity, and so delicious. Look at that. That's so good. This Quince smoothie is a great way to enjoy the unique flavor of this fruit while also getting a healthy serving of mixed fruit in your diet. Feel free to experiment with different combination of fruits and sweetener to find the perfect blend for you. I hope you give this recipe a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipe like this one. Thank you for watching, and we see you in the next video. Delicious. Very delicious.